Oh, the shark has pretty teeth, dear, and he shows them pearly white, just a jackknife as McHeat, dear, and he keeps it out of sight. When the shark bites with his teeth, dear, scarlet billows start to spread. Fancy gloves, though, wears McHeat, dear, so there's not a trace of red. Oh, on the sidewalk Sunday morning lies a body oozing life. Someone sneaking round the corner. Is that someone Mac the knife? Yes, from a tugboat by the river, a cement bag drooping down, and the cement's full the weight, dear, that you McHeat back in town. Yes, Louis Miller disappeared, dear, after drawing out all his cash. And McHeat spends like a sailor. Did our boy do something rash? Suki Tatrin, Jenny Diver, Lottie Lanier, Sweet Lucy Brown. Oh, the line bounds on the right, dear. Now that Maggie back in town.